Hello friends, if you are new here, my name is Safdar and today we are going to discuss how to use Google Ads effectively for generating leads for e-learning businesses. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video. With Google Ads, you can reach out to your target audience. In this scenario, you can attract students. I'm assuming your target audience is Gen Z and millennials. Then it becomes very important to use graphical content. While decide on platform, it is also very important to consider the fact that Google gets 5.6 million searches in a day. And if you use Google Ads, which is powered by Google itself, prospective candidate most likely to see your ad and chances of conversion will also increase. Well, Google Ads basically works on the concept of pay per click PPC marketing. If you have an active website to drive enough traffic, ensure consistent leads, it needs to show up on the top of search engine results pages for generating more leads. Now, let's see some of the benefits of Google Ads. Number one, multi-channel. The biggest benefit of Google Ads is that you can run ads on all affiliated platforms like YouTube, Gmail, Blogger, Google Images, etc. Number two, wide reach. When it comes to bidding on keywords, there is no end. The options you will have are limitless. The higher you bid, the more likely it is for your brand to rank higher. Plus, it's Google. You need a solution? Google it. Google Display Network amplifies your reach in such a way that it reaches to the right audience. Number three, better and quick result. Google Ads or pay-per-click marketing is remarkably faster. It is a gem for marketers. If there is a limited time till your next batch begins, you can use the potential of PPC. There are inorganic results, but considering the time it takes, the cost effective it is a worth using platform. Customize your ad, go through the trends and get results instantly. Number four, analytics and tracking. It is the digital age. Google Ads definitely acknowledges it. Google Ads are probably the most detailed platform when it comes to dissecting statistics. Who clicked, what time, conversion rate, demographic reached, most effective keywords. Surprisingly, Google Ads showcases every answer in complete detail. And Google further provides marketing suggestions, making your job even easier. If you can't come up with a strategy, consult Google Ad and get rational recommendation. And don't forget to link your business Google Analytics account to your ads account. Now let's talk about how you can actually start with Google Ads. First, you need to be careful with every small detail, be it optimizing the landing page, bidding on the right keyword, looking over data, or anything else. Number one, create Google Ads account. I'm assuming you already have a Google account. If not, simply sign up with your Gmail as usual. The important is signing up. The first question you will see, what's your main advertising goal? Answer it and move ahead. Set up your account with business name and active website. Lastly, Google will seek your insight on keywords theme. Remember, Google is trying to understand your business. The AI-based questions are designed to create ideal campaign for you. Number two, plan a budget. When it comes to budgeting, you need to figure it out what works best. Most e-learning businesses fail to estimate their budget. While deciding on budget, ask yourself some key questions. How long do you want to advertise for? How your competitor are planning it out? How much you are willing to bid for CPC? Which are the keywords? And why do you need Google Ads? For starters, you need to increase your reach and target the right set of audience. If your competitor ranks higher on Google, use tools like SEMrush or built-in keyword planner tool and see what is their budget. You need to bid a kind of keywords and choose. Step number 3, choosing a right network for your ad campaign. When promoting an online course, choosing the right medium matters a lot as it depends on your end goal. Google offers various mediums. A search campaign for online course promotion. It is a basic one. When you search for a product or service, there is always ad comes first. If a student searches for courses, they will get ad. The advertiser targeted these keywords and their brand is showing up on the top of SRPs. B. Video campaign. Have you ever come across a video on the YouTube when you are watching any tutorial on YouTube? That's video ad. Google allow you to pick and choose skippable placement ads. Here you can see one of the examples of Grammarly how video ad comes. Display campaign. It's a self-explanatory. Display campaigns are everywhere. Website, YouTube, third-party application, even on Gmail. The display network is quite vast and you can expect a lot of reach. D. Application campaign. Over here, the display network will optimize visual-based ad for applications. Adjusting an ad for a specific application is the main goal. Number 4, design, optimize the landing page. I would like to constantly emphasize on optimization part. When you pay for a landing page visit and you expect an instant conversion, make sure that it matches the customer's funnel journey. Most marketers stop at display ads, not focusing on aftermath. You need to have a clear goal where you will see the customer going to your website and completing a journey. What's a conversion point? In your case, the landing page should never redirect to the main page. Make it convenient for a student to sign up. Step number 5, conduct a keyword research. Do not randomly pick and choose any keyword. You will always find productive keyword when you research. Will a student search without knowing his requirement? So know what students are looking for. Purchase a keyword that is similar to your goal. For example, a student searches for cheap online courses. Your brand should show up if it is a cost-effective course. Step 6, set your bid. When researching your Google Ads, you might have heard these terms. CPC, cost per click, pay for each click. CPE, cost per engagement, pay only when one engages with your ads. CPM, cost per mile, pay for every 1,000 impression. Well, here are the breakdown. This falls under PPC campaigns and is a part of bidding system. If you are not clear on the bidding system, there is always mutual biddings too. Step 7, create copies. This is the final step for crafting a digital ad. Once you gather the right set of keyword, proceed further. Consider the URL where the link will be lead towards. Link the exact page to a potential student might be looking for. And be creative with headline. You can only use 30 character. This is your chance to show your course main features. Here you should use your potential keywords. Use exceptional graphics with description, expand on the headline and show important details. Number 8, track the performance. Look at the conversion, whether you are performing or not. Optimize and increase the quality and relevancy, and try to improvise on each copy, because the main goal of any ad is the maximum conversion. So guys, that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe.